Do you feel invisible online? Wondering why your expertise is not attracting the global clients you deserve? Hi, my name is Tope Aghomatse. I am a YouTube marketing expert and I help visionary experts like you, that is coaches, consultants, and creative professionals, use YouTube to reach global audiences, driving leads that grow their brands and opening doors to international success. Now, in my upcoming masterclass, I'll teach you my proven YouTube growth framework that has helped experts build YouTube channels that consistently attract high quality, ready to buy leads from all around the world. And it works. No matter the size of your YouTube channel, whether you're just starting out or already growing, this strategy will get you results. You will learn the 3 biggest mistakes to avoid on YouTube and how to start bringing in clients without the tech overwhelm and even without experience. Now, do not miss this chance to grow your brand globally. So click on the link below to reserve your seat now. I'll see you in class.